Yeah, sure. I mean, we still did it after school. So
Okay, juxtaposition with graphic design, creating art inspired by Barbara Kruger. Barbara Kruger is a really rad artist. She is a collage artist, and she is popular for putting black and white photographs with text over the top of it. She usually uses futura. Her work was misappropriated by the dude who you guys know as the founder of Supreme. Misappropriation means that he was using her work for his own benefit without the permission of her. So when you are working on this tutorial, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be following some steps that are soon to be featured. There's about 7 steps. And then you're going to see me going through those steps. Step 1, you're going to you have to decide what you want your quote to be. You're going to, I suggest in the tutorial on Canvas that you're going to use futura as your typeface, and I want you to grab like a philosophical quote. This is going to take me a second, just so you know, friend. Philosophical quote, and then just tweak it. So, for example, Descartes wrote, "I think, therefore I am." Kruger tweaked the quote and put, "I shop, therefore I am," with her juxtaposition of the quote to the text pick a computer. That's how she created something that was a unique piece of art. Yes, that made sense. Go with it. The second step is finding your image. Make sure your image connects to your quote. You do not have to pick a black and white image. You can turn it black and white in Photoshop using image mode grayscale later. You can also add a non-destructive adjustment layer if you'd like to. The third step is using the text tool and setting the font to Futura Bold. You're going to grab the italic feature from the character formatting palette. You can choose whatever size of the type. You want to make sure the type is white, okay? The next thing you're going to do is you're going to create some red rectangles behind the type. And then you're going to kind of just make sure it's laid out how you want it to look. I would suggest using some groups or folders. And then you're going to save it as a JPEG and then turn it in on Canvas. Okay? So that's generally the tutorial. You can go ahead and watch my steps in action now.